How to fix Snapchat due to repeated failed attempts or other unusual activity error on Snapchat. Hello everybody, if you're getting this kind of message when you're trying to log in into your Snapchat account, you can follow up the steps in order to fix it. The first thing is Snapchat has temporarily disabled access after a certain number of failed login attempts, or if they have detected suspicious activity. Waiting for 48 hours is a common recommendation to allow the system to reset. So wait for at least 2 to 3 days and just go over to this login interface again. And in this username section, go ahead and enter up your username. After that, go ahead and enter your password and try logging in, as your Snapchat account has been locked due to repeated failed login attempts. Otherwise, sometimes switching Wi-Fi or internet connection should also help. For that, you may head over to settings and then go to connections and then try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data and see if that works. Otherwise, outdated versions of the Snapchat also may cause compatibility issue. So for that, you may head over to your available app store and then go ahead and search for Snapchat and then update your app to the latest version to prevent successful logins, prevent issues or bugs that are preventing successful logins. Apart from that, you may clear the app's cache. So go ahead and locate up Snapchat, long press on the app, and then go to the info section at the top. And then once you go over there, you will scroll down, go over to storage, and then go ahead and clear the cache by tapping on clear cache. If the issue still persists on one device, you can try logging in from another device as well and see if that works. Otherwise, you just need to monitor your account for 48 hours, and that is only the solution for now. If nothing works, you can contact the Snapchat support for more assistance, and that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to fix that issue. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.